Learn, I would like, in Malay.
Saya ingin.
For polite ordering. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you superstar. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to order like a pro? Today your magic key is, I would like.
Saya ingin.
Picture a friendly waiter, you smile and start with.
Saya ingin.
Doors open, menus bow, and coffee appears. Let's make this fun and fast. Your goal.
Saya ingin.
In minutes, you'll use the polite opener like a local. Stay close, I'll guide you. Meaning, I would like, equals.
Saya ingin.
Also common, I want, equals.
Saya mahu.
Neutral, and super casual.
Saya na.
Polite negative, I do not want, equals.
Saya tidak ingin.
Use it to order, request seats, or try specials. I would like, to order a coffee.
Saya ingin memesan kopi.
Pro tip add-on, please, equals.
Tolong.
Pronounce it with a beat. Follow the rhythm and you'll nail it. Clap if you can. Metronome, tick.
Saya.
Talk.
Real.
Rest. Rhyme it. When I begin, to be polite and win, I say.
Saya ingin.
Quote. Humor boost. A genie pops out, 3 wishes. You start.
Saya ingin.
And he goes, finish the sentence first. Dialogue at the cafe. Listen and repeat after me. Imagine you're at a busy stall near the Petronas Towers. You, I would like, a hot tea, please.
Saya ingin. Teh panas. Tolong.
Server. Certainly.
But.
You, I would like, to order a coffee.
Saya ingin memesan kopi.
Server. Anything else?
Ada lagi.
You, I would like, a seat by the window.
Saya ingin tempat duduk di tepi tingkap.
Server. Great choice.
Pilihan yang bagus.
You, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Quick drills. Your turn, speak out loud. I'll cue English, you answer with Malay. Say, I would like, water, please. You.
Saya ingin air tolong.
Say, I would like, to try the special. You.
Saya ingin mencoba hidangan istimewa itu.
Say, I would like, plain water. You.
Saya ingin air kosong.
Say, I would like, to book a table. You.
Saya ingin menempah meja.
Bonus polite close. Add.
Terima kasih.
At the end, culture tip. Mamic manners. Small words go a long way, be warm and you'll get warm vibes back. At a mamic stall, start with.
Saya ingin.
And add.
Tolong.
For extra politeness. Pair your order with a smile and a friendly nod. Example. I would like, teh tarik, please.
Saya ingin teh tarik tolong.
Then say.
Terima kasih.
When it arrives. Mini quiz. Quick check, answer out loud. You've got this. 1. How do you say, I would like, in Malay?
Saya ingin.
2. Fill the gap.
Gurih kopi tolong. Saya ingin.
3. True or false.
Saya ingin.
Means, I like. False. It means, I would like. 4. Give a softer alternative to I want.
Saya ingin.
Challenge time. Let's level up, make it personal and playful. Build 3 real requests you might use today, starting with
Saya ingin.
example pack.
Saya ingin memesan kopi. Saya ingin air tolong. Saya tidak ingin gula.
Memory hook. Ingin sounds like ingin. Imagine you'd like something in your hand, so you say.
Saya ingin.
Wrap up and thanks. You did awesome, high five through the microphone. Today you mastered, I would like.
Saya ingin.
Plus handy extras like.
Tolong. Kain. Kopi.
And.
Terima kasih.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your requests in real cafes and food courts. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.